Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, it's just like one of these out so I can hear myself. I'm on my way to my sister's because we are going sister shopping, and it has been a long hot minute since we've been shopping. Now we're just going into our local town, going to Tesco's first, making our way through town. So if I keep squinting, the sun keeps going in my eyes. So I'm going to say this as quickly as possible because I'm just about to go into loads more sun, which is brilliant. But yeah, we're going to go into Tesco's, work our way through town and head to Home Bargains last. Now, if no one actually knows, where have you been? If you've not been keeping up on the Instagram, on Mrs. Hinch's stories, then you ain't gonna know. But Mrs. Hinch has actually launched her like kind of second Hinch home kind of bit, which has got all like the bathroom bits in, and I absolutely love it. So we're gonna pop to Home Bargains. I've actually bought some of the stuff on eBay because I didn't think I was gonna go shopping, but Lisa said, do you fancy going shopping? And it's on me, so I said fair enough. You know, I'm not gonna say no when someone says they're treating me for a change. So come with me and my sister shopping. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can, because obviously I've got shopping bits to get as well. But if I get quite a bit, I'm gonna do a separate haul for you guys like I normally do. By the way guys, I'm absolutely loving this weather. It's making me miss Tenerife. Yeah, it's making me miss Tenerife, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to go back for a honeymoon. But yeah, I'm currently on my way to my sister's, so I will see you when we get into town. First stop, Tesco's. Make our way to Tesco's now. See what bits we get in there. Like I said, whatever I get today, I will do a separate haul to show you guys. Tesco's, they do so many lovely cups and glasses. Look at these ones. Believe in yourself with like a pink handle. Then you've got Fall in Love. I think they're actually quite cute. I actually love that one with the pink bow on. But you've got loads. You've got ones for tea addict. I think there's one for you. And then coffee lovers. You're absolutely so many. That's what I love about Tesco's. So many different ranges of glasses and cups.
I did this at the beginning, but I didn't like it.
Only got a few bits in Tesco's, a meal deal and a salad dressing, but not much. We're saving most of the money for Home Bargains. So before we checked out, we just wanted to come and have a look at the clothes because Lisa wants to try and find a nice outfit for my hen do. But I came across this bikini in Tesco's. It absolutely looks really lovely. It's like a nice shimmery gold or like a brownie colour, and it's got the bottoms to match. They've got their lovely bikinis out. I like these. Do you know what? I like these, but I'm feeling these parts. I'm not too sure. I think these bits are like kind of at your feet a little bit, but they do look nice. Lisa's just spotted these bikinis. So you've got that one there with the gold circle in the middle, and then the bikini bottoms to match. And I absolutely love this yellow one. I think that's absolutely perfect. And again, you've got the bottoms to match. Yeah, you've got loads of beautiful summer stuff. Tesco's do amazing like little jewellery pieces as well.
Okay.
They absolutely do. Oh, it's cute. That is really cute. I do like that. It's nice for like summer, and you have it in silver as well. Loads of rings. They also has like earrings as well. They have so many beautiful jewellery in Tesco's. Look at all these rings. I absolutely love them. And then you've got some accessories on this side as well. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I think they're beautiful. Poundstrecher now. Let's see what stuff they have in store today and see if we bring anything back. Just in these, they're the iced coffee mochas, little sachet things. I've actually got some ice cubes arriving in my Asda shop today, so these are going to be perfect for the summer. I love these. So we're currently in Poundstrecher and I saw these socks. Now I'm always getting these socks every time I'm in here. Nathan keeps nicking them. I use these for work. He keeps nicking them, so I've had to get another 2 packs because he keeps nicking them all the time. So yeah, I got these beautiful socks and there's a pack of 3 and they're absolutely beautiful. I love them. I think Poundstrecher's kind of up in their game because they've got these beautiful fake flowers in there now. So they're kind of up in their game a little bit. Then you've got all like your light bulbs and that. Then you've got all the candles and oh my god, it's not even nowhere near Christmas yet and they've got their Christmas candles out already. Like, seriously, I know I'm a Christmas person, but I bet that one's quite nice though, I must admit. Oh, I can't even think about Christmas right now. I've got my wedding to finish off. I must say though, in Poundstrecher they do have loads of different kind of varieties of like biscuits, chocolates and stuff like that. And for the last couple of days now, I have been craving Biscoff biscuits, especially with a cup of tea. I absolutely love these. Okay, so we just finished in a Poundstrecher. Now going in to Savers because there's a few things I need to get in there. I'm trying to show as much as I can, but I've got a few things. I will show you properly when I get home. So I only got a few bits in Savers, just the essentials that I needed, like shampoo, conditioner and stuff that I really needed. Now we are just on our way to Home Bargains. That is probably where we're going to probably do the most damage, but let's go to Home Bargains. Lunch, what's it sitting on one? I come from Sittingbourne. Into Home Bargains. Okay, so currently in Home Bargains, the camera is gone a bit out of focus, so I do apologise. It probably will go focus soon, but they got Skips salt and vinegar ones, which I'm going to take home and try. There we go, the camera's come back in focus. So I'm going to try a pack of these. So, getting some more hand soap. The one that we had is absolutely horrible, but I'm going to get some new one. Now this smells amazing because I've had the shower gel and that, so it's incredible. So I'm going to get that. And that's the shampoo, and obviously that's the conditioner, but that's the shampoo and conditioner I got in Savers. But in here they're $2.39, or $2.35, sorry. Got loads of beauty bits. I'm trying to speak as loud as possible because of obviously the music and I don't want to be copyrighted. But there's loads of beauty bits in Home Bargains as well, and absolutely loving. They actually have the Garnier sheet mask in here as well, which I love. And then they've also got all like the lip balms and stuff as well. Anyone going on any holidays anytime soon, then Home Bargains has loads of holiday stuff. Obviously me and Nathan are going on our honeymoon, but it won't be straight away, but I will be getting some more of this 100%. So far just chocolate crisps and a hand soap so far. Oh, and a toothbrush for Lisa. That's so far. So in Home Bargains they have the new AU vodkas, which is the Tango Orange and the Tango Apple. I have been desperately trying to get my hands on them to try them, so today is the day. Seeing as I have got the salt and vinegar Skips, Nathan is going to have his favourite, which is the prawn cocktail. He absolutely loves them. Here is some of the Mrs. Hinch stuff. So we have the placemats, which looks absolutely incredible. These are the these are the flowers. These tea lights are absolutely incredible. I already have one on my desk. I absolutely love that. You got the lampshade and you got the vase. And here is more Mrs. Hinch stuff. I've got 2 of these already. I absolutely love them. They've got more bowls, more plates, which I absolutely love because I'm going to get some more. Lisa's now budging me out of the way. I've got the tea towels, they're incredible, which I'm going to get some more. So I'm going to go off camera and get some more stuff because I absolutely love them. Oh, and plus they have the wine glasses as well and the tumblers. Lovely. So, as you can see, I've got another set of tea towels, which you guys will see in my eBay haul. I don't know whether that's already gone up. If that has already gone up, you guys have already seen it. If it hasn't, then I've got another set of tea towels, incredible. I've got another bowl, medium plate and the big plate. So we've got a set each for me and Nathan, and then Elisa's got their little bits as well. In Home Bargains, I've just spotted these. They're the caramelised biscuits Crave. Now, me and Nathan absolutely love our Crave, and I can't wait to actually give them a go. So I'm currently on my way home now. I tried to film as much as I could, but obviously trying to shop for everything. The only thing I couldn't get was the candy ale, but I had to substitute it with normal sugar anyway. It's only until next week. I've got hair on my face. But Home Bargains bag here. I've got my Primark bag on my shoulder. What I'll do is I will do a separate video of all the bits I got. Got a few little Mrs. Hinch bits, not much, you guys would have seen in the trolley anyway. But yeah, I'm going to sign off now because I've still got to walk all the way up the road. But if you've enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. All my Mrs. Hinch pictures, like of what I've got, will be on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box below as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.